we have some most recent bits of gossip about the new forthcoming leader Android gadget of Sony organization, named as Sony Xperia Zs Pro, 2018. This will be another Sony handset which will have bezel-less show and it will keep running on most recent Android OS Form 8.0 Oreo. As per authorities, the assembling of this item has been begun by Sony and they are wanting to dispatch this telephone at Mobile World Congress or at expo in which will held in September 2018. The fundamental featured component of this telephone is its metallic body and glass surrounded body, which is planned by the acclaimed telephone creator Nobita Đa. Going to the details, the Sony Xperia Zs Pro, 2018, sports a 6-inch HD show with 18:9 angle proportion and is fueled by an Octa-center processor timed at a 2.25 GHz recurrence on Snapdragon 835 chipset, and it's combined with 6/4 of a gigabyte of RAM. As far as optics, the Zs Pro, 2018, accompanies a 23.0 megapixel essential camera with double LED glimmer and it underpins for Huawei's optical shake innovation, while the auxiliary selfie camera is of 13 MP, likewise having LED streak. The Sony Xperia Zs Pro, 2018, accompanies 64/128 of a gigabyte of inherent stockpiling, which can be further expandable up to 128 gigabytes by means of utilizing microSD card. It houses a 4100 mAh battery, with 4.0 quick charge, USB Type-C port and IP68 tidy and water safe. Other availability alternatives incorporate 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11b/G/N, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, FM radio and GPS. Xperia Zs Pro 2018 will keep running on Android 8.0 Oreo, which will additionally get standard updates for the following 15 months. Like other Sony telephones, Zs Pro likewise comes pre-introduced with custom Sony UI over the best. It includes a 6.0-inch IPS show with a Quad HD determination of 1440 by 2560 pixels. It bolsters double SIMs which are 3G and 4G empowered with VoLTE bolster. A portion of the excellent highlights incorporate Wi-Fi, Bluetooth V5.0, NFC, unique finger impression sensors and USB Type-C port.